What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about XCN today, OnyxCoin. Hit that like button, you guys. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it. Okay, here we are. Looking at XCN, I actually want to start off on the LRO, logarithmic regression oscillator indicator here. It's a mouthful. I just want to look at this and see. It looks like we do want to go lower. Yes. Daily time frame doesn't give us anything. What about the 15-minute? 15 minutes calling for a reversion. I don't think we do. Oh, maybe. Okay, yeah. Maybe we do on a 15-minute time frame. We probably do find support here. Oh, no. We already did it. No, I think we go lower. If we find support here at all, maybe we move up to about 1.47 cents, 1.46 cents, maybe even all the way up to 1.5 cents. But ultimately, I do think that we're going lower. I don't think that we're done yet. We're very near, but we're not there yet. From a low here, that's not the low, to a high here, that's not the high. There we go, low to high. The 1618 is where I think we're going to go, 1.26 cents, somewhere in that area. If not as low as about 1 cent itself, even just below 1 cent right there. Any and all of those targets are possible. Okay, I actually want to put BTC up so that I can see the price. Because if the price just tanks, man, we're standing on the edge of a cliff here, or we're already cliff diving right now. There is possibility that we could find support if we get some bullish divergence confirmed here, but we're just waiting on that. But XCN, 1.37 cents now. I think we're close, but not quite there. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but if you would like to start buying, I think there's nothing wrong with buying here. I've actually had some buy orders get hit recently just below 1.4 cents. I think that 1.26 cents would be the lowest you go to, but again, if you go to 1 cent, that's another 20. I just don't think you drop 27% more from here, man. I could see you dropping another 8%, maybe even another 15%, but more than that, it's just because I don't see it happening doesn't mean it can't happen, but I really do like that area around 1.25, 1.26 cents. That's my personal expectation. You look at the 4-hour time frame, you can see we are in the oversold zone. We're in this area where we found support time and time again, right? We can go lower, of course we can, but I think that we're soon to find support here. Actually, what we have is a higher low here with a lower low in the price. That's bullish divergence. As long as we get a 4-hour to close green, a 4-hour candle to close green, that will be bullish divergence. And it's not the most immaculate bullish divergence. It calls for a move up to about 1.5 cents, but oftentimes with bullish divergence, you do find lows that you can, build from and reverse your trend, right? And we are in a very, very solid downtrend right now. If you look at the daily time frame, daily RSI getting close. We're almost there, guys, to the oversold zone. That'll be the lowest reading on the RSI that we will have seen since August of 2024. Do you guys remember what happened in August of 2024? I remember what happened. It was our bottom. It was the bottom. So we're getting close to the same areas in the RSI that we were at whenever we bottomed in August. I don't know if we go that low. It wouldn't surprise me at all if we just bounced right off of the oversold zone. But if we go into it, that's fine too. This would imply that not only does today close where it's at on the red, but that it would close lower on the red side. If it doesn't close lower today, we could close here. We could close here, but then that would just imply that tomorrow is a red day as well. The lower we go, the faster we go, the quicker that we're in this oversold zone, the quicker that we're done with this drop. And, of course, subsequently, the quicker that we can move up and break out of this overall trend. It looks like we're kind of rounding, doesn't it? It looks like we're rounding down, like we're getting a little parabolic here. That's wild, man. Wild, yeah. We might see a really big drop come in, guys. Sometimes with these rounded drops, with stuff like that, sometimes you get a really big finish, and then you rip up from it, So if we do go below 1 cent, don't be scared. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but if we see any targets below anything that I've talked about today or any of the other days before this or after this, it's okay. XCN is not likely to return to the base of this range, right? I would expect at the absolute worst, you would find support somewhere at the base of this range here. But anything can happen. You never know. If we take a relative weekly time frame here, if we take a relative low here to relative high there, you are at your 382. I don't think you find support here, but it's even possible, and this is why I say it's green light to buy, because it's completely possible we could rip from here. We don't have to go lower, but with everything else that we've looked at, I'd suspect that we do go lower. So I feel like I've said everything I need to say. I don't think I need to say anything else. If you guys like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I fully expect, nothing's changed, guys. I fully expect XCN will see 10 cents and beyond in March, okay, ending its move probably around 18 cents, or at least, something something around, what would that be? Around 12 cents or higher, I think. 18 cents to 24 cents are very solid targets to have as well. I think that we will be above 10 cents by the end of March, and we will be above, we will likely be above 15 cents by the end of April. That's my expectations. So I got nothing else for you guys. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thank you all for being here. Bye-bye.